So here's how to write email using ChatGPT. So first up, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website. And as you can see, I'm already here. You can just type in chatgpt.com in the browser. And once you're here, you will get to see an interface like this. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here on the text input field, you will see a plus icon on the left. If you click on it, you will get to see all of these options to choose from. For now, we won't be using any of that. You can also use the voice options on the right side. For now, let's put in the prompt for the email in the text input field. After that, click on Submit. And as you can see, ChatGPT has started generating the email right away. Here, all you need to do is copy the entire text and paste it in your email, and after that, edit the placeholders with the actual names. If you want, you can also add the names in the prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-send email. And that's it. That is exactly how to write email using ChatGPT.